Hey everyone, Dr. Dennis Barley here from Barley Wellness. Today we're going to talk about types of neuropathy that you may experience. Peripheral neuropathy pertains to the peripheral nerves. Periphery means the outside. So outside of the brain and spinal cord, we have many miles of nerves in our body, and those nerves can be affected by peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy is the most common type of neuropathy, but diabetic neuropathy, where someone has diabetes, that's the most common cause of neuropathy. Again, those nerves are affected by lack of blood flow to those nerves. Blood sugar can cause damage to the nerves as well, and to effectively treat this type of diabetic neuropathy, one must deal with the patient's diet. So the main cause of prediabetes and diabetes is something called insulin resistance. And at Barley Wellness, we have dietary solutions for that insulin resistance. So that has to be a part of the treatment in order to get us to the root cause of diabetic neuropathy. There are other types of neuropathies. There's one called proximal neuropathy, which is rare and affects the nerves that innervate muscles in the upper legs, buttocks, and the hips. The most common cause of that also is diabetes. There is something called autonomic neuropathy. Autonomic neuropathy is the autonomic nervous system controls things in your body that you don't consciously regulate, such as heart rate, temperature, blood pressure. Those things can be affected if you have autonomic neuropathy. So blood pressure issues, temperature change issues in the body, not being able to regulate temperature, and heart arrhythmias can be due to that. There's focal neuropathy, and one focal neuropathy you may recognize is carpal tunnel syndrome, where it affects one nerve, the median nerve in the wrist. There's an issue at that nerve, and some specifically getting to the root cause of that. Those treatments may help that carpal tunnel syndrome or that focal neuropathy. And then of course there's chemotherapy-induced neuropathies, which can occur. Unfortunately, it's a side effect sometimes of chemotherapy, and some treatments can help with that type of neuropathy. So those are the types of neuropathy that we work at Barley Wellness here in Fairhaven, Massachusetts.